Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Sagicor Group Jamaica is reporting a 54% decline in profit in the first quarter ended March. The company held a press briefing on Wednesday. Javon Keys reports.
For the first 3 months of the company's financial year, Sagicor Group made $1.02 billion after tax. That's down from the $2.26 billion for the similar January to March period in 2023. President and CEO of Sagicor Group, Christopher Zaka, says the decline was linked to what he describes as a few one-off factors.
A one-time adjustment due to the IFRS 17 model and unrealized mark-to-market losses on a segment in our life insurance assets portfolio would have contributed significantly to that dip. We don't expect that dip to continue or the effects of that dip to continue throughout the rest of this year. And if you add back those one-time effects, we would have realized a profit of $2.32 billion, which is in line with our expectations for the quarter.
The insurance side of the business raked in revenues of $12.5 billion, an improvement versus the $10.98 billion for January to March 2023.
Revenue was up by $1.5 billion for the quarter, representing a 14% increase year over year, and it reflects the effectiveness of the company's sales strategies and the trust of our clients in our offerings. Our short-term insurance, which is health and group life, had very strong new business sales, good conservation, and actually are demonstrating a significant turnaround in terms of profitability.
While he expressed optimism for the rest of the year, Mr. Zaka says there is some caution.
It is still a tough economic climate, and the market conditions are not particularly favorable to some aspects of financial services across all of the players in the market. We've remained focused on our long-term strategy and its execution, which is around delivering value to our customers and shareholders.
For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
Light fixtures and PVC manufacturers Fosrich saw a decline in net profit for the first quarter ended March. At the end of the 3-month period, the company made $32 million compared to $121.7 million for the corresponding period in 2023. Fosrich says it faced higher administrative expenses. The company's revenue fell by $224 million, amounting to $859.8 million in the first quarter. For January to March 2023, the company made $1.88 billion. Fosrich says the electrical, PVC hardware, and transformer lines of the business continue to be the main revenue driver. Foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $157. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.17. $198.76 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $170.90. And to the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 656 points today, while the junior market advanced by 27 points. Among the 45 winners, Jamaica Stock Exchange, 138 Student Living Jamaica VR Preference Shares, Indus Pharma Jamaica Ordinary Shares, Carbon Producers Group, and NFS Capital Partners. The 39 losers include Paramount Trading Jamaica, Stanley Motor Ordinary Shares, Carbon Assurance Brokers, Productive Business Solutions 9.75% CR shares, and Access Financial Services. 15 stocks traded firm. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.